Hello dear students, good morning. Today we will continue with our chapter number 10, organs of the government. And from that, today we will discuss about legislature at the central level. And in that, the first one that we are going to discuss is about Lok Sabha. So as you all know that Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. We have two houses in our parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And in that, Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. The members of the Lok Sabha are the representatives of the people who are elected through direct election. There are in all 552 members of the Lok Sabha. Out of the 552 members, 530 members are represented the states, 20 are represented union territories, and 2 members are nominated by the president from the Anglo-Indian community. At present, the strength of the house is 545. President is the part of the parliament. Lok Sabha is not a permanent house. Its term is of 5 years. Now let's discuss about qualification for the membership of Lok Sabha. To be qualified as a candidate and to be elected as a member of Lok Sabha, he or she must be a citizen of India and should be 25 years of age or more. He or she should not be having unsound mind or insolvent. He or she should not be an employee of the central or state government. He or she must not be proven as a criminal, or he or she must not be a proven criminal. The term of Lok Sabha is of 5 years, but the president can dissolve it before that if indeed, or before that if needed. In case of any national emergency, the term of the Lok Sabha can be extended for 1 more year. If the president dissolves the parliament, it cannot be challenged in court. Now let's discuss about quorum. Quorum is the number of members present in the house of the parliament. So if it is asked in one sentence answer or question answer that what is quorum, then the answer of that is quorum is the number of members present in the house of the parliament. The Constitution of India stipulates that at least 10% of the total number of the members of the House must be present in the constitute the quorum to constitute a meeting of either House of Parliament. Now 10% of total members means out of 545, 10% of 545. For example, in Lok Sabha it should be 55, and in Rajya Sabha it should be 25. Now let's discuss about Rajya Sabha. So as I told you earlier, Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. It is a representative house of all the states and union territories of India. There are 250 members in the Rajya Sabha. In all, means out of 250 members, 238 members of Rajya Sabha are elected. Rest 12 members are nominated by the President of India. At present, the strength of Rajya Sabha is 245. Now let's discuss about qualification for the membership of Rajya Sabha. So to be qualified as a candidate of Rajya Sabha and to be elected as a member of the Rajya Sabha, he or she must be a citizen of India. He or she should be 30 years of age or more. He or she must not of unsound mind, insolvent or criminal. He or she should not be a government employee taking salary or holding any office of profit. State of Gujarat has the representation of 11 seats in Rajya Sabha. If the question is asked in exam that how many representations or how many seats has represented by the state of Gujarat in Rajya Sabha, so the answer is states of Gujarat has the representation of 11 seats in the Rajya Sabha. If we talk about sessions, generally both the houses of the parliament meets for 3 times in a year. These meetings are called sessions. That is the budget session, monsoon session and winter session. The Vice President of India, by virtue of his office, holds the office or chairman of Rajya Sabha. Means Vice President of India is the chairman, or we can say President, Speaker of the Rajya Sabha. Whereas Vice Chairman of the Rajya Sabha is elected by the members of the Rajya Sabha from among themselves only. The first chairman of the Rajya Sabha was Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Now let's discuss about the Speaker of Lok Sabha. The main functions of the Speaker is to see that the proceeding of the Lok Sabha gets organized in prescribed form, to maintain discipline, order and dignity of the houses are the topmost functions of the Speaker. By gaining a majority of the members of the Lok Sabha on a resolution to remove the Speaker. With these, a Speaker can be removed from his post by giving a 14 days notice period. There are two speakers in Lok Sabha, that is Speaker and Deputy Speakers. These are elected by the elected members of the Lok Sabha. During any proceeding of the House that arises any questions, matter or problems or discussions on any bill or act, a decision upon it is to be taken, especially when the number of votes in favor or against the matter are equal in number, then in such conditions the working in both the houses of the parliament can be carried out in either Hindi or English. The speaker can give his decision or deciding vote, which is known as casting vote. Sri Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar was the first speaker of Lok Sabha. In the absence of the speaker, the proceedings are conducted by the deputy speaker. So till here we discussed today. In our next video we will discuss about when can a bill become an act and further. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.